And this was, somebody was racing this. I don't know what this is, so it doesn't say what it was. Let's see, it's a 390 Ford Motor Company, Dearborn. Let's see, it doesn't say what. This was on the road in '89. Yep. So that looks cool. It's got yellow lights. So this is a race car, actually. This looks like it was racing somewhere. It's got the, it's an automatic. Let's see. It's a 67 Tour de France. Okay, so this is a 1967 Tour de France race car. So 1967 Tour de France race car. Pretty cool. What do you think of that? I think that's cool. 1967 Tour de France race car. Now, it also has a Pennsylvania sticker on it, inspection sticker, and a Texas sticker. And Mustang Club of America. Let's see the back. It's a Mustang GT for Tour de France, and next to it is a Saleen Ford. I don't know what this is. It's a Saleen Ford Ranger. Is this a Saleen Ford Ranger pickup truck? I never saw a Saleen Ford Ranger pickup truck, and I may be looking at the only one that's alive that's ever been built. I don't know. Anybody ever seen one of these? I certainly haven't. Anyway, yeah, sorry about that. Sometimes I see something and I'm like, oh, I better go talk about that. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.